Hello students, myself Prince and I am back with another reading discussion video but on a different topic. So today's topic is the rise of the agribots. I am representing this video on the behalf of Opera IELTS PT Institute Patiala. If anyone have not subscribed our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe it and hit the bell icon also so that you can get all the notifications of our new videos as soon as possible. Also, before starting this reading discussion video, if anyone who have not attempted this passage, please go and attempt it first. Then only it would be very beneficial for you to see this reading discussion video. Let us start with today's passage. So, you can see this is a paragraph A. Basically, in this paragraph A, there are total 4 questions which are yes, not given. So 14, 15, 16 and 17 question are there in the paragraph A. Let us start with the 14th question. What they are saying is that government should do more to ensure that food is generally affordable. So this is not given. Let us see. Here they were saying that life is hard from them right now. This in turn means the effect inevitably means bigger grocery bills for consumers, means it is going to be expensive and greater hardships for the millions in countries where food shortages are a matter of life. So here they are basically talking about the expensiveness of the groceries which the consumers are going to buy, but they have not told about the role of the government. Should they do more or not? यहाँ पर उन्होंने ये बताया भी ग्रोसरी बिल्स हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा हाई होने जा रहे हैं, बिगर ग्रोसरी बिल्स फॉर कंज्यूमर्स, पर उन्होंने यहाँ पे हमको कोई भी गवर्नमेंट के बारे में कुछ नहीं बताया अभी गवर्नमेंट को कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए या नहीं. बेसिकली सोल्यूशन कोई नहीं बताया उन्होंने. लेट अस मूव टू द 15th क्वेश्चन. फार्मर्स नीड टू रिड्यूस द हार्म दे डू टू द एनवायरमेंट. यस. So the answer is yes. We will see here. Yet while farmers must squeeze more out of the land, means they should produce more, they must also address the necessity of reducing their impact on the soil, waterways and atmosphere. They are saying that like they are producing more and more crops from the field, but they should also focus on the necessity of reducing their impact on the soil. Like they should not pollute the soil more. They should address the issues. Like they should find the solutions with which they can reduce their impact on the soil. So the answer is yes. Clearly they are saying the lines in the paragraph are matching the lines in the question. So now we will look at the 16th question. In the future, farmers are likely to increase their dependency on chemicals. So the answer is no. So if we predict what will be written in the paragraph, it is going to contradict the statement of the question. Let us see. Why does a whole field with chemicals if you can spray only where they are needed? They are saying that basically using the drip irrigation, each plant could get exactly the right amount of everything, no more or less, an approach that could slash chemical use and improve yields in the one move. Now, in the question they are saying that in the future farmers are likely to increase their dependency, means जो फार्मर है वो केमिकल्स को ज़्यादा यूज़ करने जा रहे हैं और पे हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि उनकी जो डिपेंडेंसी है केमिकल्स पे ज़्यादा होगी फ्यूचर में. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या कह रहे हैं, नो मोर और लेस एन अप्रोच दैट कुड स्लैश मीन्स डिक्रीज. हियर दे हैव यूज्ड द स्लैश वर्ड फॉर द डिक्रीज, दैट कुड डिक्रीज केमिकल यूज. So the answer is contradicting the statement of the question. Now we will look at the 17th question. Farms in Europe and the US may find it hard to adapt to precision farming. So answer is not given. Basically they have given this statement, but this is easier said than done. The largest farms in Europe and the US can cover thousands of acres. Here they have told us about the total area. Like they are saying that जो farmlands यूरोप और यूएस में है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे उन्होंने कोई ऐसी बात नहीं की कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े हैं इसीलिए उनके लिए मुश्किल होगी किसको, प्रिसीजन फार्मिंग को अडेप्ट करना. सो द आंसर इज नॉट गिवन. क्लियर. So now we will shift to the next Paragraph B. Now there are total 3 questions in paragraph B, and they are basically summary type questions. So 18th question. In the future, agribots will provide fertilizer to young plants. So now we will see here. One day we might see fields with agribots. Agribots are agricultural robots that can identify individual seedlings. So the synonym for young plants is seedlings. Seedlings are basically young plants, and encourage them along with drops of fertilizers. So the answer is fertilizers. Agribots will provide fertilizers. The synonym for provide is encourage them. Like it will encourage them to provide fertilizers. Now we will look at the 19th question. Some machines will use chemicals or lasers to get rid of unwanted plants. So here the answer is other machines would distinguish problem weeds from crops and eliminate them with shots from high power lasers. So the answer is lasers or a micro dot of pesticide. Here some machines are these, other machines will use chemicals. So the synonym for chemicals is pesticide or lasers. So the lasers, they have written high power lasers to get rid of unwanted plants. So the synonym for unwanted plants is weeds. Weeds are the unwanted plants that usually grow with the crops also. So now we will look at the 20th question. It is the production of cereals which currently uses the most machinery on farms. So now here they are saying that for the production of cereals, farms usually use most of the machinery. Now we will look here in the paragraph. More than a century of mechanization has already turned farming into an industrial scale activity. Industrial scale means on a big scale, using the machineries on a very big scale in much of the world, with farms that grow cereals. So the synonym for production is grow. Cereals being the most heavily automated. So the synonym for the most machinery on farms is most heavily automated. Clear? Now we will move to the paragraph C. Now in the C paragraph there is only one question. That is also a summary type. Communication between machines such as tractors is making farming more efficient. Now we will look at the passage also. Here they have told these robots are disguised as tractors. They are called like tractors. Many are self-steering, use GPS to cross a field, and can even talk to their implements. Implements are the tools which we use with the tractors, like by attaching with the tractors, like a plow or a sprayer for example, and the implements can talk back, telling the tractor that it is going too fast or needs to move to the left. This kind of communication is also being developed in other farm vehicles. Means other farm vehicles which are used on beside tractors. So they have written communication because we cannot write only talk between machines such as tractor or talk back between the machines. And the other thing is that we cannot write talk between machines such as tractor because it doesn't sounds nice also, like not grammatically right. So the answer is communication. And the synonym for more efficient. So I have written last 3 lines. To send a call over to a tractor trailer so the driver can unload the grain as and when necessary. With the help of this kind of communication, they will tell the tractor trailer that they have to come here and the driver have to unload the grain. So the farming will be more efficient. The synonym for machines is tractors, plow, sprayer. Now we will move to the paragraph D. Now in the paragraph D we are having 2 questions. They are basically matching name type questions. Like we have to match the name with the given statements. So the name is 22 Simon Blackmore. So what he said, see, we need machines of the future to be exact, not more powerful. He is saying that जो machines है वो ज़्यादा powerful नहीं होनी चाहिए, but उनका जो method है वो precise होना चाहिए, exact होना चाहिए, मतलब precision होनी चाहिए. So Simon Blackmore, who researches agricultural technology, this and this, believes that fleets of lightweight autonomous robots have the potential to solve this problem, and that replacing brute force with precision is key. So what the answer, he is saying that रिप्लेसिंग ब्रूट फोर्स, रिप्लेसिंग मीन्स किसी चीज को रिप्लेस कर देना, किसी की जगह पे किसी और को लेकर आना, मतलब पावर की जगह पे, ब्रूट फोर्स की जगह पे किसको लाना चाहिए, प्रिसीजन को. सो द प्रिसीजन इज द सिनोनिम फॉर द एग्जैक्ट. द फ्यूचर टू बी, द मशीन्स ऑफ द फ्यूचर टू बी एग्जैक्ट मीन्स प्रिसाइज होनी चाहिए, नॉट मोर पावरफुल. नॉट मोर पावरफुल सिनोनिम इज रिप्लेसिंग ब्रूट फोर्स. ब्रूट फोर्स इज द पावरफुल सिनोनिम. Okay, clear? 23. Albert Van Henton. So the answer is F. There is a shortage of employees in the farming industry. Yes. Albert Van Henton, robotics, this and this. While the population is growing and needs to be fed, a rapidly shrinking number of people are willing to work in agriculture, he points out. Basically he is saying that a rapidly shrinking number means जो लोग एग्रीकल्चर में काम करना चाहते हैं वो क्या हो रहा है, श्रिंक हो रहा है, बहुत जल्दी श्रिंक हो रहा है, मतलब डिक्रीज हो रहा है. सो ही ऑल्सो टोल्ड हियर देयर इज अ शॉर्टेज ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज इन द फार्मिंग इंडस्ट्री. यस, द स्टेटमेंट इन द क्वेश्चन इज मैचिंग टू द स्टेटमेंट इन द पैराग्राफ. सो लेट अस मूव टू द पैराग्राफ E. So we are having one question only here. 24th. Linda Calvin and Philip Martin. Answer is H. Economic factors are often the driving force behind the development of machinery. So यहाँ पे क्या कह रहे हैं भी, जो इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स है वो क्या है, एक ऐसी फोर्स है जिसके कारण हम मशीनरी को क्या करते हैं, डेवलप करते हैं. सो द आंसर इज हियर. So the full names are here, Linda Calvin and Philip Martin. Calvin and Martin have observed how rising employment costs have led to the adoption of labor saving farm technology in the past, citing the raising industry as an example. यहाँ पे raising industry है जो, उसकी उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल दे दी, मैंने यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन भी किया है. राइजिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट कॉस्ट मीन्स मोर मनी टू बी पेड. मीन्स इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट कॉस्ट है वो बढ़ रही है, मतलब हमने जो एम्प्लॉयज रखे हैं उनको ज्यादा पे करना पड़ेगा. मीन्स इट इज अ इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर, ये एक इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर बन गया. अब उसके साथ ही क्या होगा, लेबर सेविंग फार्म टेक्नोलॉजी क्या होती है, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मशीनरी, ये सिनोनिम दिया हुआ है. इसको आगे मैं अभी क्लियर करता हूँ. इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर बन गया. अब इसके कारण क्या हुआ, अब हमको ज्यादा पे करना पड़ रहा है लेबर्स को और एम्प्लॉयज को. इसके कारण क्या करते हैं, ये एक इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर बन गया. इसके साथ हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लेबर सेविंग फार्म टेक्नोलॉजीज हैं जो उनको डेवलप कर रहे हैं, उनको अडॉप्ट कर रहे हैं, ताकि हमको लेबर्स को यूज ना करना पड़े और इतना ज्यादा पैसा उनको ना देना पड़े. सो द आंसर इज H. इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स आर ऑफन द ड्राइविंग फोर्स बिहाइंड द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मशीनरी. इसी के कारण क्या हो रहा है, अगर इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स ना हो, अगर एम्प्लॉयमेंट कॉस्ट ज्यादा ना बढ़े, तो हम क्या होंगे, जो फार्म टेक्नोलॉजी है वो हम डेवलप नहीं करेंगे. क्लियर? सो नाउ वी विल लुक एट द लास्ट पैराग्राफ F. सो देयर आर टू क्वेश्चंस. 25. Lewis Holloway. Answer is A. The use of automation might have impact on the development of particular animal and plant species. यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं भी, जो ऑटोमेशन का यूज है उसका शायद इम्पैक्ट पड़ता हो किस पे, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पर्टिकुलर एनिमल एंड प्लांट स्पीसीज. सो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, लुइस हॉलोवे says that robotic milking is likely to influence the genetics of dairy herds as farmers opt for robot friendly cows with other shape. So पर्टिकुलर एनिमल स्पीसीज कौन सी है, यहाँ पे उन्होंने दे दी काउस. अब उसके बाद हमने ढूंढनी है प्लांट स्पीसीज, यहीं पे नीचे दिया हुआ है ही सेज. यहाँ पे उन्होंने रेफरेंसिंग यूज किया. ही कौन है यहाँ पे, लुइस हॉलोवे. इट इज कंसीवेबल दैट एग्रीबोर्ड्स could influence what fruit or vegetable varieties get to the shop, since farmers may prefer to grow those with say leaf shapes that are easier for their robots to discriminate from the weeds. मतलब वो ऐसे प्लांट्स उगाएंगे जिसके लीव्स ऐसी शेप के होंगे कि उनकी जो मशीन है वो डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर पाए भी वीड्स कौन से हैं, अनवांटेड प्लांट्स कौन से हैं और इंपॉर्टेंट प्लांट्स कौन से हैं. इसका मतलब प्लांट स्पीसीज पे भी, उनकी डेवलपमेंट पे भी असर होगा, और एनिमल्स की तो हमने पहले ऊपर बात कर ही लिया, काउस की. क्लियर? So now the last question, Sukare, answer is D. As farming becomes more automated, the appearance of the farmland will change. Yes, they have clearly written that when farms are being designed with agriboards in mind, say Sukare, a robotics researcher at the Australian Centre for Field Robotics, Sydney, this could mean a return to the smaller fields. Basically, यहीं पे अपना हमारा आंसर शुरू हो जाता है. वो यहाँ पे क्या कह रहे हैं, अपीयरेंस है जो फार्मलैंड्स की चेंज होगी. यस, वो कह रहे हैं ना, दोबारा हम कहाँ पे आ जाएंगे, स्मॉलर फील्ड्स पे आ जाएंगे जिनमें क्रॉप्स है जो प्लांट किए जाते हैं वो ग्रिड्स में होंगे रेदर देन रोज, एंड फ्रूट ट्रीज pruned into टू डायमेंशनल शेप्स टू मेक हार्वेस्टिंग ईजियर। मतलब जो फ्रूट ट्रीज हैं उनको ग्रो ऐसे किया जाएगा टू डायमेंशनल शेप्स में ताकि हार्वेस्टिंग है जो आसान हो जाए। So I think you have got understanding of all the answers. If you found any kind of doubt in this reading discussion, then you can ask any teacher of Opera. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our channel.